Do you want to make serious money online? If so, stay with me because I'm going to show you the easiest thing you could possibly do in order to make money. It's coming right up in my review of The Breakthrough with Kenny Cannon. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I'm known as the man with a hat. That's because I wear a fedora pretty much everywhere that I go. I'm actually one of the few people who can pull one off successfully. Well, me and this guy. Now, if you're new to the channel, what I do here is two things. I review software and info products to make my online niche, basically because I want to make sure that you don't end up buying a bunch of crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Bye, boy.
Bart, seriously, pay attention. This is what I do here. I do reviews here. If you ever bother to look at my reviews, you would know which stuff is good and which stuff is crap. He would actually know what to buy, but he doesn't bother. He's really annoying, that guy. I don't understand him. Anyhow, I also do a lot of videos on mindset stuff involving entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Liz Lemon, thank you again. She says it every single time that I have a video here, and she's such a sweetheart. Really, Liz Lemon, everybody. Now, if you are new to the channel, go ahead and smash the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos, because frankly, subscribing isn't me much here on YouTube anymore. Go ahead and like the video, comment down below, and the way it's going to work is basically I'm going to do a review of the product. If I like it, I'm going to give a tip of my hat to the product creator. If I don't, well, better luck next time. So let's get right into this, and let's take a look at The Breakthrough with Kenny Cannon. First of all, straight off, I've got to say, I think Kenny is nuts. I mean, look at this price, $5. I mean, seriously, you can see right here, you can see all the money that can be made. This is like insane amounts of money over and over and over again. And yes, that's real money. It's not something that's like really complicated to do. It's serious, real money. And he's selling this thing for $5. Oh, look, message from mom. Anyway, $5. Crazy. You know, it's like absolutely crazy.
You're crazy!
Yeah, that was my thought at first also when I saw the price, but that's Kenny for you. Actually, everything about The Breakthrough is actually super cheap, even the upgrades. I think he just generally wants people to succeed, and so he's prices stuff really super low in order to make it affordable to everybody. Now, as you can see, obviously, this is the kind of money you can make. And it's not a system or a gimmick like you see so many markets selling these days. It's actually a very simple, easy to customize product that you can sell to every single business on the planet. And this thing basically sells itself. And Kenny sells it for like $100, but seriously, you can sell it for any price you want. You can sell it for $10, and like you sell it once and you've doubled your money. Seriously, there's no two ways about it. Pick this thing up for a lousy $5, use it, and it's going to change your life. It really is that simple. And of course, you know that I've got you hooked up when it comes to bonuses, right? I mean, yes, indeed. Look, everyone who spends a lousy $5 on this thing gets my super secret sales video. Okay, this is where I'm going to spill my deepest, darkest secrets about how to make sales of anything to anyone. And not to toot my own horn, but before I got into affiliate marketing and selling videos, I used to work as a salesman. And I was actually the top salesman in my office from my second month in the office. I was number one every single month for years, year on year. I broke the record in my office for the most sales in a month, my third month with the company. And then a few months later, I broke my own record again and actually got to 6 figures in sales, which was absolutely insane. Nobody was ever able to do that. My cat likes to photobomb my videos. So like, this is seriously next level stuff that you're going to be getting from me for free. I'm going to teach you all my deepest, darkest secrets about how to make sales. Now, in addition to that, I'm also going to give you my guide to staying focused. And that's really important because, frankly, being focused is the biggest thing that you need in order to be an entrepreneur. If you're not focused because you see a cat in my video and she is distracting you, if you're not focused, you're never going to be able to make any money online. It's that simply have to be able to stay focused. This guy is going to teach you everything you need to know. And then just for the hell of it, I decided to throw in 5 premium WordPress themes. These are not cheap themes that you can just download. These are premium themes that cost a lot of money, and you get resale rights to them. You can sell them. You have to keep them intact, but you can basically sell them for whatever price you want. I put them up on Fiverr for like $20 for a pack of 5, and they sell like hotcakes because it's like, hey, why not? People buy them all the time. People love these things. They're great, and it's easy money. It's free money, basically. Okay, so I wanted to go ahead and show you the members area right now. So let's go ahead and take a look at that. Okay, so we're inside the members area, and it's actually pretty sweet. You can see that Kenny has videos explaining everything. But to be honest, you really don't need to watch every single second of every single video. I skimmed them and pretty much understood the value of what he has here.
That was actually published in OK, You're a Skimmer.
Well, it didn't go quite that fast, but I mean, the point is you don't have to hang on every single word that Kenny has to say here, basically. And the PDFs, I wasn't so impressed with. Whatever, don't worry about the PDFs. But the rest of this was really, really cool stuff. Okay, there's a lot of great stuff here. And you get a template, by the way, over here. This is a ready-made product. Okay, so you pretty much get everything you need for $5. It's nothing. It's literally like it's that's no money. That's ridiculous how cheap he is, how cheap this stuff is. I mean, seriously, it's so cheap. And then there are a few upgrades. I'm going to show you down here what the upgrades are. Let's pull them up right here. Here you go. I actually have the advanced version with the Done For You sales program, and they're cheap. The upgrades are cheap. Okay, you can get the Done For You sales program. You can get the Done For You leads. The leads are like, that's insane. Seriously, that is completely utterly insane to me. That he's basically $47 for 50 leads. Like, who does that? I spend a fortune on getting leads for my business. It cost me multiple dollars for a lead, and he's giving me 50 of them for $47. I mean, that's just absolutely crazy. I don't know how he's able to give it away so cheap. It's just totally insane to me. And then finally, you have the partnership program, which frankly, this is really, really cool. Basically, you get to partner with Kenny and work with him one-on-one. He's going to teach you everything he knows in order to help you to succeed. Kenny has won Product of the Day on Warrior Plus, I think about 20 times now. And this guy is an expert. He's a 6-figure marketer, 7-figure marketer even. He's going to teach you everything he knows. So, and none of these things are very, very expensive. And by the way, speaking of the mentorship program with Kenny, if you do pick up any of these upgrades at all, I'm going to give you my own mentorship. Basically, you get a half-hour Skype or Zoom strategy session with me. We'll set it up. I'm going to talk one-on-one for half an hour. We're going to flesh out your unique selling proposition. I'm going to help you to figure out your own strategy for making money online. And if you pick up all 3 of the upgrades, which frankly, I really do think it's worth picking them up, pick up all 3 of the upgrades, and my dog is here as well. Pick up all 3 of the upgrades, and I'm going to give you 3 months of direct one-on-one access to me through my cell phone. We're going to talk one-on-one. Whenever you need to talk, you let me know what's going on. You ask any questions you have. I'm there for you. I'm going to be your personal coach. And of course, if you pick up all 3, you also get Kenny. So between the 2 of us, you're really set. And you're going to be able to really make some serious, serious money online. So I encourage you to go ahead and check out the upgrades as well. Obviously, the front end is a no-brainer for $5, but the upgrades are really not very expensive either. So go ahead and take a look at those as well. Back to the product creator, to Kenny. I mean, seriously, dude, $5. This is the biggest no-brainer in the industry. For $5, you're going to change your life. You're going to get a ready-made product that you can sell. And I mean, literally sell it for $10. Kenny sells it for $100, by the way. He will tell you in the video, he starts off charging $100, and a lot of businesses pay him. You saw on the sales page, $97 payments over and over and over again. He sells it over and over again for $100, man. And you're going to pick it up for $5 lousy. And this is something that every single business on the friggin' planet needs. Seriously, $5. You can't beat that. You tip my hat to Kenny. Go ahead and pick it up. You're going to love it.